Brighton, good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. This is now the voice of your homeboy, Dr. Ogiwonyi Brightens. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products.
So what they produce for inside Brighton, and if any discount day for this period, and you still tell us more about your automatic changeover devices.
Yes, my country people, first of all, for Brightens Electronics Company, our promo end last week Friday. But only for me to discover, as at yesterday will be Easter morning, say my country people send us over 4,386 XMX text messages and WhatsApp. Fear not let me read them because the message is too much. But the summary of what we see for that message be say people they beg us say make we extend the promo to this week Friday at least because bank not come they work the way they work before and the economy harsh. So I want to let Nigerians know say Brightens Electronics Company we don't consider all those requests. We don't grant people requests. Our promo go come end for this week Friday. So that means you want to buy the Brightens inverter, the battery, the solar panel, solar charge controller. May you feel power your fridge. Shall now we be say the same with the stock more they buy food stuff put for us more they stock up. You know say nah it not go too good to they warm your soup every day. If you get light at this country now with the experience epileptic power supply. So that means if you need to get light, maybe they listen to news, maybe they hear what they happen concerning this COVID-19 pandemic. And you still need to get light, maybe they power your freezer, make your food stuff for the fridge, not quick spoil. You know, I want to tell Nigerians say, you get where you go one vegetable soup every day reach, it go turn to agbo. So if you know what, maybe you can't do over one vegetable soup, you not go turn to agbo for your hand, then you need Brightens Electronics Power Solutions. So I want to let you know say, these options wey we get be say for this promo if you deposit just 50,000 naira with 50,000 naira we go allow you pay the remaining money within 4 months. So that means that 50,000 naira wey you want deposit before the promo end this week Friday we go come give you 4 months then they pay small as your power reach. So that means even when the promo don end now the same promo price you go take buy that goods at the end of the 4 months. But if 4 months end, you not gonna have confidence to pay finish. Your money not go lost. You will come buy the product at the normal price. But you will say you want to use the product they pay at the same time. Now they call for Igbo higher purchase. That one still they available. You will pay 60% of normal price. Not be promo price. Oh, you come pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one get your terms and conditions. Or you they use our product before. Maybe after 3, 4, 5, 10 years, you say you want to return the product, may you pay difference, may you upgrade to the one go fit dey carry more electronics. As long as say na our product, you will fit return the one where you buy before, pay difference, upgrade to a bigger machine, maybe we go fit carry your AC bowl or deep freezer, as the case may be. Or maybe you first use our product before, you can't introduce 6 of your friends, may they still buy from us. We go give you the next KVA upgrade free of charge. Now, before I talk about the Brightens automatic changeover, I want to let Nigerians know say Brightens Electronics Company na research establishment. We don dey do one research wey be say very soon people wey first get borehole before that your existing borehole we go give you Brightens Electronics circuit pumper. You go add and join that your borehole. Once you add and join and don put solar panel put, e go begin dey bring water dey come out from ground. So you no even need to dey use generator pump water again for borehole. You no need to dey wait for NEPA light till dey pump water again, and e go dey very very cheap. Then again people wey get fish farm, we don dey work on a special kind of borehole wey be say once you put am for that your fish farm from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock for afternoon you go get water. Then I want to let Nigerians know say the Brightens automatic changeover now something wey be say you go fit dey power your generator in such a way be say if you dey sleep for night for example the 6 NEPA light e go help you off the gen carry you go NEPA effortlessly. So you no even need to dey wake up for night go dey off gen for outside for example. Then we still get wetin they call the Brightens power switch for gen. That one na something wey be say once you dey inside house you go fit from inside house on the gen or from inside house off the generator. So even if your gen na single phase or 3 phase, we go fit do am for you.
So Brighton, we training day for this period.
I want to let my country people know say for Brightens Electronics Company, yes, if you sabi read and write, we go fit train you. Provided say you sabi read and write. and the reason be say na English language we go fit dey train you. You wey be say you dey come from general public, we know say not be everybody get pre-informed knowledge of electrical electronics. That's why the engineers go first dey teach you theory, you receive lecture, they go set exam, make dem understand whether you dey follow up the things wey you dey learn and whether you know wetin you dey do. So before you come finally enter practical, begin carry sojiri iron, make you no go burn person house. So that's why we dey follow protocols. So if you dey university too, you wan do your IT or industrial attachment program, come, you go get practical skill oriented programs.
So more look your energy bulb saver and this pressing iron booster.
I wan let Nigerians know say for Brightness Electronics Company, the Brightness alternator booster na something we design for people wey dey into tailor, fashion designers, dry cleaner, and people wey dey into tailoring. So I wan let you know say you wey get hotel, you get event center, you get when you know say you get hotel, and then you dey do laundry service department for your hotel. Yes, you need Brightness alternator booster for that your pressing iron, electric kettle, and that your ring boiler, so that you no go dey affect your generator when you dey use wetin we dey call for Igbo heat element electrical materials. So you wey be tailor, dry cleaner, fashion designer, you need that Brightness alternator booster. Make that your generator no dey spoil every time or dey give you fault every time. Make you no come dey spend money to dey buy half engine. So I wan let you know say it's a compulsory device for una. Then you wey be say you dey use our bulb, our Brightness energy bulb na 5 watt and 12 watt. The 5 watt of the Brightness energy bulb is shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy bulb wey dey market, and the 12 watt Brightness energy bulb shine light pass the normal 40 watt or 100 watt incandescent bulb wey dey market. The advantage of the bulb is say, especially the 5 watt, once you put am for your house, because like say you buy like 10 of the 5 watt, that's just 50 watt, e go reduce the rate wey your prepaid meter card for NEPA or BDC go take dey finish at the end of the month, because we don reduce the power consumption of that bulb, increase the brightness. Then you wey be say you get analog meter, e go still reduce the bill wey dem go dey give you. Then you wey be say you dey use am for your inverter battery solar panel, e go reduce the rate wey the battery go take dey drain. Then if you put am for your surrounding light, for your compound, for your fence, or your event center or your hotel fence surrounding light, e go still help your diesel and fuel. E go reduce the rate wey the diesel and fuel go take dey burn, make you no dey spend money every time take dey buy fuel.
So Brighton, when we come the look at me, what about this your inverter battery, the solar panel, the solar charge control? If you look this one and you look the one we say they market, wetin be the difference?
You see, my country people, the most important advantage of buying anything from Brightness Electronics be say na made in Nigeria product. For example, I wan let you know say the same warranty wey Oyibo still dey give for product wey dem design, na so we still dey give warranty. So you as a customer, you must get value for your money. And our product don't be saying na just a product wey dem cut and it's certified by Standard Organization of Nigeria. So not be saying we just dey produce any thing. I'll let you know, and the product, the finished work, it dey very, very beautiful. If you even see them, you go dey doubt for your mind whether na we really do those kind of fine products. But you see now COVID-19 don't come. They don't lock down Lagos. They don't lock down Ogun State. They don't lock down Odo. They don't shut down Delta State. How you want to carry your foreign inverter now if you get fault, go Lagos, but they help you repair am? Or how you want to carry and go on Onitsha or Port Harcourt inside this COVID-19 pandemic where everywhere most states don't lock their borders? That's why we dey tell Nigerians say if you buy our own, nothing go last forever. I don't tell you say our own no dey spoil. If e spoil, bring am, we go fix am. You must get value for your money. That is the most important advantage. Now let God go fit create anything go perfect. So wetin we dey tell you be say for the solar panel, e go soon finish. We never get am many again because that panel we import am from China before coronavirus come. So we import am from China. They make am specifically for the research work wey we do for Nigerian weather. It's specifically made for the Nigerian weather. That's why panel wey they give you dey north and panel wey they sell for those wey dey south or middle belt, e different. That panel get shelf life of 20 to 25 years, but we dey give manufacturer warranty of 2 years. But for our inverter battery, solar panel, for our inverter battery, solar charge controller, we dey give manufacturer warranty of 1 year. And that not mean say if you buy our inverter, for example, e get inbuilt thunderstorm resistant facility, but e get the number of time wey go fit withstand that your thunder lightning. If you dey use fake panel and you refuse to re-air that house 6 feet, or you refuse to put under some arrestor, e come finally spoil our inverter, na you go pay for repair. That no be manufacturer problem. Or you dey use am, you no gree put stabilizer, and you know say you dey charge am with NEPA and your NEPA light, for example, e dey go up and down, dey fluctuate, dey dance reggae, today e go full, tomorrow e go low. Then e spoil the inverter. You refuse to put stabilizer there for the charging side. You will be the customer and I go pay for the repair. That will not be manufacturer problem. But say our product is durable. That's why if we sell am for you, we dey allow you fit return after some years. Say I wan return am, I pay money, I go for bigger one wey go carry more electronics, because na your normal household electronics dey carry. We no dey do subscription say because they install am for you tomorrow you come dey pay subscription. No, na the normal bulb wey dey your house, your normal fan, your normal TV, na e go power. So I wan let you know say dey power television, fan, AC, ball, deep freezer, depending on the size wey you dey go for.
So how person fit see you and reach Brighton?
Yes, for Brothers Electronics Company, our office address dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road. Number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road, near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday take dey produce wetin we dey sell and take dey install for other people based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am, 080-894-62794. Our MTN number na 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am, 080-3581-5348. You fit still search our website www.brightons-electronics.com, or search videos of Brightons for YouTube, or like our company Facebook page, Brightons Electronics Company. You go see everything wey we dey do. My country people, make una stay safe. Coronavirus pandemic na real o.